It is now my singular honor and privilege to invite the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari, to preside over the transmission of the handover documents to President-elect His Excellency Bola Tinubu, GCFR. I thank you for your kind attention and patience, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yeah. Yes, it's all going to be done there.
Oh, everything together. Oh, okay. So the next thing we are doing is to invite the President. The transition documents are going to be handed over to the President-elect now by President Muhammadu Buhari. Then you have the baton of service, which President Buhari will also hand over to the President-elect, Bola Tinubu, GCFR. You know that in a relay race, batons are handed over. It shows you that governance and government is a long-distance race.
Alright guys, so the video you just finished watching shows the moments Nigerians have been talking about. Okay, yesterday was May 25 and it was the date where Bola Tinubu, the president-elect according to INEC, was handed the baton of service by the incumbent president, Muhammadu Buhari. Alright, so many Nigerians have been wondering and asking, is it proper for the baton of service and the title GCFR and GCON to be conferred on Bola Tinubu days before the election, or the inauguration rather? Well, I do not want to speak about that. My own is, why are they busy doing all of these things, handling all these ceremonial activities when there is a serious case in court? Okay, so you can understand that it seems the federal government are running autocracy and just putting democracy on paper. Because for one thing, if the masses protest against a particular candidate, that shows the displeasure, all right? The displeasure in the candidate. And now you can have the right to question who are the ones who voted for this man. Because it seems the federal government are imposing Bola Tinubu on Nigerians, and Nigerians are protesting, exercising their unhappiness about the person who is about to become the president of Nigeria. All right, so they are handling all of these ceremonial activities ahead of May 29. If not for David Hundeyin, who came out to expose the plot, Bola Tinubu, who ran to Aso Rock to meet Buhari and tell him to declare Friday as public holiday. The Friday is the day today being selected as the date for the judgment between Bola Tinubu and Atiku Abubakar based on the issue of Shetima's double nomination. And you know, if the court, because evidences have been given, has been served to the court, and the court have seen the evidence, and if the court wants to serve justice, they will understand that Kashim Shetima had double nomination, because the date he submitted his cancellation of senatorial seat and senatorial bid corresponds with the date where he received an accepted nomination as the vice president nominational form for APC. So you can see that he had these two nominations in possession. All right. So having those two nominations in position means that he accepted double nomination, and it's on this account that the PDP has held him accountable, saying that he has gone out of the electoral laws for 2022 as amended. So you can see that there are so many things, and it looks from body language of Buhari that he is imposing Ahmed Bola Tinubu on Nigerians. And Nigerians are protesting here and there. The matter is in court, not yet settled. And then you are handing him a baton of service, handling him the title GCFR and GCON. I mean, it makes Nigerians to begin to wonder, are we running democracy or are we running autocracy? So things like these are beginning to cause issues in the country. Today is the day, and David Hundeyin has already exposed the plot of Ahmed Bola Tinubu to beg Buhari to declare Friday public holiday, because if he actually declares Friday public holiday, that means that the court case is not going to hold. The Supreme Court will not sit to deliver judgment. And then if the Supreme Court does not sit to deliver judgment, the next date is Monday, which is the 29th of May, and it is the swearing-in ceremony. Once he is sworn in, he's going to have the judiciary feed from his pocket. And that means everything is being taken over. All right, so now the another question that worries Nigerians is, if Ahmed Bola Tinubu is not declared, is declared unqualified to contest in the election, and his name is being taken away from those who have been sponsored by the party, who is going to be the next president of Nigeria? Well, from all indications, we have things that have pointed to the fact that Peter Obi may finally become the president of Nigeria, based on the fact that even though some people reason that Atiku is the second person who won the election, he will be declared the president-elect. But quickly, Peter Obi has the mandate to withdraw all petitions against Ahmed Bola Tinubu because he has been disqualified, and then serve the court a fresh petition against Atiku Abubakar based on the issue of 25% in the FCT. And that generally is going to disqualify Atiku Abubakar, because he himself also filed that same petition against Ahmed Bola Tinubu, which means he agrees on the issue of the 25% in the FCT. And you see how simple it's going to be for Peter Obi to become the president of Nigeria. However, it all lies in the hands of the judiciary, and let's see what's going to happen today. I'm going to keep you updated on what is going on in the judiciary today when the judgment has been announced. All right, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and you will never miss any of the updates going on in the country.
Attention and patience, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yeah. Yes, it's all good. We don't know.
Oh, everything together. Oh, okay. So the next thing we are going to write the president. The transition documents are going to be handed over to the president-elect now by President Muhammadu Buhari. Then you have the baton of service, which President Buhari will also hand over to the president-elect, Bola Tinubu, GCFR. You know that in a relay race, batons are handed over.